Hello everyone and welcome to our new channel. Today I have something exciting to share with you. We all spend hours browsing the web every day, right? But what if I told you that you could actually earn money just by doing that? Yes, you heard that right. You may not be aware, but there are 5 web browsers that will pay you simply for using them. That's right, these web browsers will reward you just for browsing the internet. This is Billy Profits and welcome to the channel where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash the like button and feel free to leave a comment that says I am from and mention your country so we'll be able to upload future make money online opportunities that are available to your location. Let's kick things off with one of the most popular browsers that reward users, Brave. Brave is a privacy-focused browser that blocks ads and trackers by default. But what makes Brave unique is that it gives you the option to opt into privacy-respecting ads. When you do, they'll reward you with their cryptocurrency, Basic Attention Token (BAT), which you can later convert to other cryptos or use to buy gift cards. Here's a step-by-step guide to start earning with Brave. First, head over to brave.com and download the Brave browser for your device. Brave is available for Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Next, once you have Brave installed, open the browser and go to the Settings menu. You'll see an option called Brave Rewards. Toggle this option on. After enabling rewards, Brave will start showing you small, non-intrusive ads in the form of push notifications. You earn BAT tokens every time you view or interact with one of these ads. The more you browse, the more ads you'll see, and the more BAT tokens you'll earn. Brave allows you to customize how many ads you want to see per hour, up to 10, so you can adjust it based on your preferences. Once you accumulate BAT in your Brave wallet, which you can access directly from the browser, you can withdraw your BAT by connecting your wallet to an exchange like Uphold or Gemini. From there, you can convert your BAT into other cryptocurrencies or even cash it out. Additionally, you can earn more BAT by tipping content creators or websites that are part of the Brave Rewards program. If you're a content creator, you can sign up for Brave's publisher program and receive BAT tips from your viewers. Brave not only enhances your privacy but also rewards you for your attention, making it a win-win for everyday browsing. Next up is CryptoTab Browser, a browser that turns your computer into a Bitcoin mining machine. CryptoTab integrates a mining algorithm directly into the browser, allowing you to mine Bitcoin while you surf the web. The mining happens in the background, so you won't even notice it, and you'll be passively earning Bitcoin as long as the browser is open. Here's how you can start earning Bitcoin with CryptoTab. First, visit cryptotab.net and download the CryptoTab browser. It's available for both desktop and mobile devices. After installing the browser, sign up for a CryptoTab account using your email or a social media account. This will allow you to keep track of your earnings and withdraw Bitcoin. Once you're signed in, you'll see a mining tab on the browser's homepage. Click on it, and you'll find an option to turn mining on. You can adjust the mining speed, but keep in mind that higher speeds consume more of your device's resources. While you browse, CryptoTab will mine Bitcoin in the background using your computer's CPU. The more powerful your computer, the more Bitcoin you can mine. However, don't worry, the browser is optimized to make sure mining doesn't slow down your device too much. Additionally, CryptoTab has a referral program. You can share your referral link with friends, and when they start mining, you'll receive a percentage of their earnings. The referral system goes down to 10 levels, which means you can earn from your friends' friends and beyond. Once you've accumulated enough Bitcoin, there's a minimum withdrawal limit. Go to your CryptoTab dashboard, enter your Bitcoin wallet address, and withdraw your funds. To boost your mining, you can run CryptoTab on multiple devices, including desktops, laptops, and even smartphones. You can also purchase a Cloud Boost feature that increases mining speed, but this is optional. CryptoTab is a simple way to earn Bitcoin passively without needing any technical knowledge about mining. Now let's talk about Presearch, a decentralized search engine that pays you in PRI tokens just for conducting searches. Presearch values user privacy and rewards you for helping build their decentralized search network. Here's how you can start earning with Presearch. First, visit presearch.org and create a free account. You'll need an email address to sign up. Once you've signed up, you can start earning PRI tokens by using Presearch for your web searches. You can set Presearch as your default search engine in your browser settings, so all of your searches go through Presearch. For every search you conduct, Presearch will reward you with PRI tokens. The rewards per search may vary, but they usually average around 0.1 PRI per search. There's a daily cap, so you can't earn indefinitely, but you can earn a decent amount over time with regular searches. If you want to earn more, you can participate in Presearch's node network by running a node on your computer. Nodes help power the decentralized search engine, and you'll receive additional PRA tokens for contributing computing resources. Once you reach the minimum withdrawal limit, usually 1,000 PRE, you can transfer your tokens to a crypto wallet. PRE tokens can be traded on various cryptocurrency exchanges for other cryptocurrencies or fiat money. Additionally, you can also stake PRE tokens to promote certain keywords in the PRE search engine, which is a great option if you're a business or content creator looking to get more visibility. Pre-search is perfect for people who want to earn crypto passively while contributing to a decentralized internet. Next, we have Microsoft Edge, which rewards users through the Microsoft Rewards program. While Edge doesn't pay you directly in cash or crypto, you can earn points by using the Bing search engine, which you can then redeem for gift cards, donations, Xbox subscriptions, and more. Here's how to start earning with Microsoft Edge. If you don't already have Microsoft Edge, head over to microsoft.com/edge and download it for your device. It's available on Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. To start earning rewards, you'll need to sign into Edge using your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can easily create one for free. Once you're signed in, go to the Microsoft Rewards website, rewards.microsoft.com, and opt into the Rewards program. It's free to join. The key to earning points is using Bing as your search engine. You can set Bing as your default search engine in the Edge browser settings. For every search you make with Bing, you'll earn points. There's a daily cap, but you can increase your earning potential by completing daily quizzes, challenges, and browsing offers that Microsoft provides. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can redeem them for various rewards, including gift cards from major retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Walmart, Xbox Game Pass subscriptions, or even donating to charity. Additionally, you can also earn points by shopping at the Microsoft Store or playing games on Xbox, so there are plenty of ways to rack up rewards. Microsoft Edge's rewards program is a great way to earn while sticking with a familiar and reliable browser. Last but not least, let's talk about Swash, which is a browser extension that rewards you for the data you generate while browsing. Swash allows you to monetize your browsing data in a privacy-respecting way by earning SWAS tokens in return for sharing anonymous data with the Swash network. Here's how to earn with Swash. First, go to the Swash website and install the Swash extension on your preferred browser. It's compatible with Chrome, Edge, Brave, and Firefox. Once installed, you'll need to create an account by providing your email. You'll also need to set up a Swash wallet, which will store your earnings. After setup, just browse the internet as usual. Swash will anonymously collect your browsing data, which is then sold to data consumers. In exchange, you'll earn SWAS tokens. Swash tokens will accumulate in your wallet as you browse, and you can check your balance at any time by opening the Swash extension. Once you've reached the minimum withdrawal limit, you can transfer your tokens to a cryptocurrency wallet. SWAS tokens can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges, or you can hold onto them for future use. Additionally, Swash is completely passive, so the more you browse, the more you earn. And because Swash values privacy, your data is anonymized, ensuring that you're not sharing any personal information with third parties. Swash provides a unique opportunity to earn rewards while browsing, with the added benefit of knowing your data is handled responsibly.